Morning everyone. Today's good thought is early to bed, early to wise, early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy and wise. I'm full of science. Now let's switch here of cool science friend from the obsession. Good morning everyone. Today's science fact is babies are brown, white, adults have both 300 bones.
Repeat again. Repeat it.
Good morning everyone. Today's science